You ready? We capture a bird. A little bird because he ran out of Wi-Fi. So he come pay the bill at Galaxy Wireless. Welcome to Galaxy Wireless. He wants to pay his phone bill. He ran out of Wi-Fi.
He ran out of data.
He ran out of data. Aww.
How long have it is inside?
We catch him for 10 minutes. 10 minutes now.
What will you do with it?
I'm going to give him some data. I'm going to give him some data and hopefully he fly away.
Yeah, this is inside the store, right?
This is Galaxy Wireless phone
Yeah.
store.
Brooklyn, New York. Yeah. Word.
Holla. Holla. You see my best friend? He's in there. He's hungry. You better watch him. He might eat you.
Look at that. والله